Good morning students. Today we are going to learn about pollution. Pollution called environmental pollution. The major kind of pollution usually classified by environment are called air pollution, water pollution and noise pollution. Pollution of kinds can have negative effects on the environment and wildlife and often impact the human health and well-being. Today, we are going to learn about what are the different kinds of pollution.
Pollution. Human-driven ecological degradation continues to be a major problem around the world. Pollution is the presence of any substance in air, water, soil or food which threatens the health of human, animal and plant life. Pollution often results from pollutants like carbon monoxide but can also arise the streetlights or noise from the traffic. Pollution sources are split into point sources and non-point sources. Pollution is the introduction of contaminants of natural environment that causes adverse change. Pollution can take the form of chemical substances or energy such as noise, heat or light. Pollutants, the components of pollution can be either foreign substances, energies or naturally occurring contaminants. Next one is air pollution. Air is a mixture of several gases. The main gases of nitrogen 78.09% for forming products such as fertilizers for plants and for making the air inert. Oxygen 20.95% for breathing and carbon dioxide 0.03% for photosynthesis. Some other gases like argon, neon, helium, krypton, hydrogen, ozone, xenon and methane are also present. Besides, water vapor and dust particles make their presence felt in one way or the other. Air pollution is the contamination of the indoor and outdoor air by a range of gases and solids that modify its natural characteristics and percentage. Air pollutants can be categorized into primary and secondary pollutants. A primary pollutant is an air pollutant emitted directly from a source. A secondary pollutant is not directly emitted as such but forms when other pollutants react in the atmosphere. Primary pollutants, first one is oxides of sulfur, second one is oxides of nitrogen, third one is oxides of carbon, fourth one is particulate matter, fourth one is other primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Next one is ground level ozone and smog. Next one is water pollution. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies usually as a result of human activities. Water bodies include for examples lakes, rivers, oceans, aquifers and groundwater. Water pollution results when contaminants are introduced into natural environment. For example, realizing inadvertently treated wastewater into natural water bodies can lead to degradation of aquatic ecosystem. In turn, this can lead to public health problems for people living downstream. They may use the same polluted river water for drinking or bathing or irrigation. Water pollution is the leading worldwide cause of death and diseases. Example due to waterborne diseases. Water pollution can be classified as surface water or groundwater pollution. Marine pollution and nutrient pollution are the subsets of water pollution. Sources of water pollution are either point sources or non-point sources. Point sources have one identifiable causes of pollution such as storm drains and or wastewater treatment plant. Non-point sources are more diffuse, such as agriculture runoff. Pollution is the result of cumulative effect over time can be impacted. Pollution of air. Water pollution may be defined as alteration in the physical, chemical, biological characteristics of water which may cause harmful effects in human and aquatic life. In India, water pollution has been taken place on a large scale and since a long period. Both surface and groundwater bodies are polluted to a great extent. The major cause of water pollution in India are: first one is urbanization, second one is industrial effluents, third one is sewages, fourth one is agricultural runoff and improper agriculture practices, fifth one is seawater intrusion, sixth one is solid wastes. Solid waste pollution. Solid wastes are categorized as municipal waste, industrial waste and hazardous wastes. Municipal wastes arise from domestic activities of human beings. Industrial waste arises from industrial activities and hazardous wastes or substances which causes hazard to plants, animals and human beings. Few of the common hazardous waste is radioactive substances, chemicals, biological wastes, flammable wastes and explosives. Overpopulation is a great factoring which influences the rise in pollution. Urbanization solid waste is an urban problem where people have the habit of using variety of commodities and discarding them afterwards. Affluence is an affluent society. The per capita consumption is very high and people discard many items regularly which increase solid waste to a large extent. Technology, it has changed the culture of using things. It is distinctly apparent in package industry for most economic goods. There is a shift in technology from returnable packaging to non-returnable packaging. For example, returnable glass container or bottles are being replaced by non-returnable cans, plastic containers, plastic bottles, etc. Next one is noise pollution. Noise pollution, also known as environmental noise or sound pollution, is the propagation of noise with ranging impacts on the activity of human or animal life, most of them harmful to a degree. The source of outdoor noise worldwide is mainly caused by machines, transport and propagation systems. Noise pollution is generally defined as regular exposure to elevated sound levels that may lead to adverse effects in humans or other living organisms. According to the World Health Organization, sound levels less than 70 dB are not damaging to living organisms regardless to how long or consistent the exposure is. Noise pollution is an invisible danger. The most common health problem it has a noise-induced hearing loss. Exposure to loud noise can also cause high blood pressure, heart disease, sleep disturbances and stress. This health problem can affect all age groups, especially children. Thank you, students.